Hi there, I'm Alex with Terry Hendricks Ford, and this is our 2019 F150 Lariat. Just going to give you a walk around video here. I'm going to point out a few things I noticed in the truck. 19 used truck, has a few miles on it, but not too bad. Just start here. Tires on it, plenty of tread. All four look to be worn even. All four match. So we're going around the truck. Stop here and I'll show you the inside first. Interior wise, very clean. Has a large sunroof. Has the brake controller and the trailer vacuum assist. There's 12,935 miles on it currently. There's floor mats. A couple things I noticed here in the back seat to kind of point out to you. Each door's got maybe just a little bit, but I noticed, just a few little scuff marks. One right down there. And then just a little spot where it looks like the leather was just kind of not torn or anything. There's a little mark right there. So, moving around here, two stone chips right there. And then on the truck, there's a vinyl wrap down here at the bottom that the previous owner had on. It looks good at a distance. I'll just kind of show you here. If you get up close, you can just kind of see it's not real smooth. There's a few spots. Like down here, you see just a little bit of a wrinkle. So pretty much all the way around in the vinyl wrap, you can just kind of see some little imperfections. But back at a distance, it looks good. So come around the back side. They did the bumpers, and you just kind of notice. You can just see just a little bit of lines in the corners. And then there's a seam where they met the two together on both sides of the tailgate. So just wanted to point that out to you, just kind of make you aware of that. And in the truck here has a plastic drop-in bed liner, has the Ford factory step in it. Over here on this side, just noticed a couple things on this side of the truck. A little scratch mark kind of right there. Pretty faint, pretty light. I want to make you aware of it. And then there's like three little, almost look like stone chip types there in the door. Around here, I'll go around the front bumper. Don't notice anything on it. Sticks out to me. It's pretty good. The thing I did notice, a few little stone chips you can see in the hood, and then two little light scratches there. That's what I noticed in the truck when I did my initial walk around on it. So if you'd like any additional pictures or information on anything, I'd be happy to get it for you. Thanks, and have a great day.